Good morning, folks. I think I have fixed the starter. I had to do some peeling on this one here, so that way it would fit in there a lot better than it was. So I want to make sure that this starter is actually going to crank. See if I can see it. Nope. Okay, so what I did was I took the coating off of the wires, so that way I can possibly get the starter to work. Yep, she's working, folks. So I'm going to be out here working on the car today. Looks like we don't need a starter after all. Okay. I do need some gas. And I do need to change that oil pan gasket because it almost didn't crank at all before. Dead spots are not getting in any oil. Oh, that's nice. The linkage fell off of the carburetor. Let me see. All right, I need the hell is it? I think it needs a piece of paper clip or something to go around it because it just fell off. See right there? The linkage going back fell off. So I got to get another, what do they call that? A piece of paper clip, wrap it around it, get it on there the right way. And then I need to get some gas and check the dipstick for the oil level because it's been leaking a lot lately, you know, because of the rear main. And then, well, not the rear main. It may not be the rear main, folks. It may be the oil pan gasket itself. The one that's on there is crap. So there's a good possibility that that's the problem. And, hey, what do you know? I saved myself some money on the new starter. Solved that problem. All right, folks. Well, it's a short. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.